Hi everyone! Today we are doing a mystery bag unbagging to share with you, and here's my bag today. This one seems kind of big. So if you haven't seen one of these videos, what I do is I have a mystery bag of clothes and I try and split it up into different categories, whether that be keep for myself, whether that be bring to buy, sell, trade, whether that be something I can sell for myself, or maybe somebody else that I know would like to have it. All right, I'm seeing stripes on the top here. So the first striped item, what is this? American Eagle Soft and Sexy Slub, size medium. It's just a striped long sleeve. Would I wear that? I don't know. I might try that on. I like to try things on, and then a lot of times I end up only keeping one or two things out of my try-on piles, but I just like to try things on first. This is another striped item. Is this by Marokiti? Have you ever heard of that brand? I don't think I have, but it is a black and white striped dress, I think, short sleeve dress, and it has like a tie, but the ties are attached. It also has pockets, so that's interesting. Because I haven't heard of the brand, I am going to look it up. All right, this brand is another one I've never heard of, so this is going to be an interesting bag, I feel like. This is Saisono, size medium, and it's like these olive green kind of, is that paper bag kind of waist pants. These are 50% linen. Wow, okay. So what size were these in? Medium? Maybe I'll try them on. Okay, next piece is blue. This is from Cider, size medium. I believe this is like another fast fashion, is it? Or kind of like Instagram or something kind of brand. They're wide leg, they're actually nice. I may try those on just to see, but those are kind of fun. I don't have anywhere to wear them to. I need to start like just dressing up just to dress up. Denizen from Levi's. This is the modern boot cut. They look like, these are a 10 medium. I might try those on. I'm gonna try on so many things from this. This is cute. This is stained like crazy though, so this is going to be redonated. This is just MTA Sport. Really cute color. Stretchy sweatpants, but they are really stained, so redonate. We have a pair of pink size medium leggings, like a printed legging. So that's gonna go to Plato's. Calvin Klein size medium, oh, sleepwear, long sleeve. I'm gonna try this on. I may keep this. I actually have a Calvin Klein like shirt that I use for sleeping, and long sleeve would be great for the colder weather. A turtleneck, a black turtleneck. This is from Ann Taylor, size medium, rayon and nylon, just your plain black turtleneck. I may try that one on too. I may have to film a try on video. Okay, this is from J. Jill, and this is a top, size medium. Nothing super substantial, but it's really like a nice paisley. I may look that up. I may take it to Clothes Mentor. I don't know if they would purchase this just because of seasonality. Let's see if it's anything special as far as cotton, tencel, modal, lac. No brand. Like one of those tanks that has like a V in one side and like a scoop on the other. I don't know what size or anything, but I'm gonna try that on. I can always use tanks. I wear them under everything. I'm actually wearing a tank under even this white top here. Okay, this is MNY. Oh, Mark New York Performance, size medium. It's a hoodie. It's kind of this purpley brown kind of color, and it's kind of ribbed. It's comfy. Let me try that on too. Oh boy. So I see new tags, JCPenney's, 50 bucks, Speechless. This is not a brand I personally like to sell, but So I'm not going to. I'm going to bring this to Plato's. But it looks like it's, oh, it's a romper. Ooh, I don't know if they'll take it. But it's actually really cute. It's got like a little ruffle thing here. It's got a tie waist. This would be great for summer. But we are not currently in summer. So I don't know what to do with this. This is PD&C stretch, size medium, slim fit. Don't know what that is. Never heard of that brand. But it does seem like it's a nice button up. Like a chambray kind of button up. Alright, another try on. My try on pile is literally falling over. We have like a thermal looking thing by Peace and Pearls. Again, another brand I've never heard of. Looks like this. It's long sleeve. Kind of not my style, but I'm gonna look that one up because I've never heard of the brand. Oh, here's another Calvin Klein sleeve shirt in gray. So if the other one fits me, then I'll keep both. This is UMG. Oh, this is cute. UMG size medium. This is really cute. And it's got like the frayed kind of hem. That's the sleeve. It's kind of tiered at the bottom. 50% linen. I'm gonna sell this one. Or at least I'm gonna look it up to see if it's worth selling. This is like a coral space dye. Oh, Under Armour t-shirt, size medium. I'm gonna try that one on too. I like the color. We've got this polka dot thing going on. Layless, size, I don't know what size. This is actually really cute. Very cottagecore, I feel like. But again, very summery. 100% cotton. This is really cute. I actually may try this on. It's not quite my style, but could be. Pure gel. It's size medium. It looks like it's a button up, but it is not buttoned up. It's very wrinkly. It's just a blue button up, simple, long sleeve, Tencel lyocell top. So I'm gonna look it up. Okay, we have a pair of pants. They're Gary and they are new tags, size 32-30. And they have like a belt thing and they are long. Oh, and they're the ones that like zip off and they have a scrunched bottom. So I'm not sure if these will fit me or if these are men's or women's, but I may try these on because I actually went kayaking recently and I was thinking to myself, like I was wearing like some really nice like outdoorsy pants and I was thinking that it would be very convenient to have some that zipped on and off for when I'm getting in and out of the kayak so that my leg doesn't get wet or the pant leg doesn't get wet. I know nobody's into these anymore, but we'll see. I'm gonna try that on, see if it's men's or women's. Yeah, size medium. Oh, like trench, but it's like denim. Like a denim trench coat from Gap. Yeah, this is nice. This is sharp. I'm gonna have to try this on. Guys, my pile is insane right now. Like, it's a mound. This is the last item. Right. This is Steve and Barry's Quality Apparel Outfitters, size large. Wow, this is kind of nice actually. Michigan Sellout jacket. This is cool. I'm doing a terrible job showing you, but this is kind of nice. Like the quality on this. Yeah. This is cool. I'm gonna look this up. All right, that's it. I thought we had more in there, but they were just coats. So that's fine, that's great. That wraps us up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye.